The Stuck on Authenticating error on the Spectrum TV app means your device is struggling to verify your login details with Spectrum's servers. This can happen due to several reasons. First, double-check your username and password. Spectrum requires password resets every 180 days. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, as connection drops interrupt the authentication process. A quick fix is to force close the Spectrum TV app and reopen it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. According to Spectrum's outage tracker, app-related incidents average 2 to 3 per month, often during peak usage. Always ensure you're using the latest app version, e.g. v25.3 as of July 2025, for the best performance and bug fixes. If basic steps don't work, the issue might be corrupted cache. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Spectrum TV, tap Storage, and clear the cache. On iOS, you may need to offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Spectrum TV, and offload it. This clears the cache while keeping your data. For persistent issues, uninstall the app completely, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This gives you a clean installation. You'll need to log in again with your credentials. Remember to check for app updates. Spectrum introduced a beta feature in August 2025 for proactive cache clearing. According to PCMag experts, reinstallation resolves about 85% of persistent app bugs.